Hello students, in today's session we are going to learn how the figure rotate and how many times after turn they will look like same and what is the angle by which the figure is rotating. So let us understand this. So let us revise this first. Meaning of rotational symmetry. Any figure or object when it will turn one time and when it will looks as it was previous, then that turn is the order of rotation. So for complete circle, how many times a figure looks exactly same is the order of rotation. By which angle the figure turn and it will appear as it was previous. So that angle is known as the angle of rotation. So let us understand this. First of all, we take the figure number A, which has a circle. A circle, when it will rotate, so let us take 4 equal parts of this circle, and when it will turn about this 1/4 part, so it will looks like this point where it was previously top on the circle, it is horizontally now. When again it will rotate by this 1/4 part, then this will look like this. Again it will rotate and lastly we get this point by which we are showing that circle will appear as it is a circle, and when again it will turn in this direction, so we get the same figure. Now in all these figures, is there any another figure except circle? No. In all these turns of this figure, we are getting a circle. So this appears as it is after a number of turns. So how many number of turns are taken here by this circle? 1, 2, 3, and this lastly 4th turn, and it is complete one rotation. So how many times after rotating it is appearing same? 4 times. So here we can say that rotation. Now this is the the 4th part of the circle is taken. So these all 4 parts, that means all 4 parts are dividing this circle 4 quadrant or 4th part. So 4th part, that meaning is one circle, it has 360-degree angle, and this 1/4 part is a 90-degree angle. So how we can find 360 and by one turn, that is of 90-degree turn, the figure looks like exactly same. So 360 divided by 90, we get 4. So here we can say the order of rotational symmetry is 4. That meaning by 90-degree turn, a circle looks like same. So order of rotational symmetry of this circle is 4. Let us consider the second B figure, that is an equilateral triangle. Now when we'll take this equilateral triangle, all 3 vertices when we join, so we get this point which is the center of the circle. So about this center, this figure will be rotate. That means how many times it will rotate? That this triangle divided into how many parts? 3 parts. That means one complete turn we have to take. That means 360-degree angle we will complete. So how it will turn, let's understand it. When it will turn, this P appears here on the top of the triangle. It will appear here. By turning 120-degree angle, the figure is again we are getting is a triangle. This P instead of top, it is in the downside here, the right side corner. Again, when it will turn by 120-degree angle, so this P will appear here, but figure is same as it is an equilateral triangle previously. Again, when it will turn, we get again by 120-degree turn, this figure we get the same it was from where we have started. So this is one turn, two turn, this is the third turn. So by the third turn, after this, we can say here also, after this turn we are getting the same figure and we are reaching the previous position of this triangle. So how many turns are there? This is one turn, this one is second turn, and this is the last third turn. So here by 120-degree turning of this equilateral triangle, we are getting the figure is exactly looks same. So angle of rotation is 120-degree and order of rotation is 3, as we are turning this equilateral triangle by 120-degree. Then it is looking as it was appears previous. So 360 divided by 120, we get 3. So we can say order of this equilateral triangle for rotational symmetry is 3. Let's take another example. The figure which was shown in the problem is H. H figure is there. So this is the cross sign which shows about this center, this figure will be turned. So when we will turn this figure by 180-degree, so it will look like same. This point is nothing but it will goes in the right hand side, but figure is as it was previous H letter. Again when it will turn by same 180-degree angle, it will becomes its previous position. So here this is the first turn, this is the second turn. So here we can say by rotating 180-degree angle, the figure looks like same. So here we get 180-degree is the angle of rotation and order of rotation is 360 divided by 180 becomes 2. So order of rotation is 2 for the figure H. The figure where this circle is divided into 3 parts. So here each part when it will turn clockwise, so this center, that is angle of 360-degree, divided into how many parts? 3 parts. So 360 divided 3 parts here. That means when it will rotate, it will looks like this by rotating 120-degree, correct? So then by this is the first rotation, this is the second rotation, and by third rotation it will goes as it was previous position. So here we can say for this circle angle of rotation is 120-degree and order of rotation is 3. Rotation about this 120-degree angle, so we can get 360 divided by 120 is 3. So here for this circle which is divided into 3 parts has order of rotational symmetry is 3. Next figure, consider it. This figure when we rotate by complete circle, so it will look like same. When it will turn by 180-degree, again it will look like same. Let us consider when it will turn by 90-degree angle. So the point, blue point which is shown in the first figure, it will goes in the right side. Again when it will turn by 90-degree angle, the symbol which will go downside, and by next time again turning by 90-degree angle, it will goes like this, and last when it will turn 90-degree, it will go its previous position. So in all these 4 figures, what we are observing, that figure is looking like same as it was by rotating 90-degree angle. So here how many turns are taken here? 1, 2, this one is 3, and last this one is 4, and we complete one circle. That means full turn we complete 360 degree. So here we can say order of rotational symmetry is 360 divided by 90 degree. That meaning 4. So 360 divided by 90 becomes 4. So we can say order of the rotational symmetry for this figure is 4. Now question number 2 is given. Order of rotational symmetry, we have to find it out. What is the order for these figures for rotational symmetry? So consider this one. In this figure, when we rotate this figure only by 180 degree, then it will look like as it was previous. Again when it will turn, so it will go its previous position. That means how many turns it turns? It is taking 2 turns. So we can say order of rotational symmetry here in this figure number A is 2. Consider the second figure. This X symbol is there. When it will turn by 180 degree, so how it will be? This sign will goes downside corner, and again when it will rotate by 180 degree, it will reaches its previous position. So from this figure, from this position, it will go in this position as it was previous. So here we can say its order of rotational symmetry is 2, and it is rotating by 180 degree angle. Consider as we have considered in the previous example also. When it will turn by 90 degree angle, then it will look like same as it was. So it will reaches by turning 4 times, that is by 90 degree is the angle of rotation. So here in this figure we can say order of rotational symmetry for this figure is 4.